County government touches nearly every part of daily life, from public safety and justice to health and human services to land use, transportation, and economic development. Behind the scenes, dedicated departments, including the Sheriff's Office, Public Works, Health and Human Services, Community Development, Emergency Management, Elections, and many others, work every day to serve our communities. Progress happens through partnership. The community helps shape priorities, the board provides policy direction, staff implement and deliver projects, partners collaborate, and together those efforts produce measurable public outcomes. Strong financial stewardship is the foundation of everything we do. Clatsop County continues to receive clean annual audits and national recognition for budget and financial reporting excellence. We have maintained reserves above board policy targets, preserving the responsible budget runway even amid state, federal, and timber revenue uncertainty. Fiscal accountability ensures essential services remain stable and sustainable. Housing and shelter remain one of our community's most pressing needs. In partnership, we've supported 202 emergency shelter beds, we've opened 112 supportive and affordable housing units, and 142 units are currently under construction, with 204 affordable housing units in the pipeline. We're also exploring housing development opportunities at the Darigold site and updating county code to help facilitate housing development in unincorporated and rural areas. These efforts reflect collaboration across jurisdictions and service providers. Public safety continues to be a top priority. More than $103 million in federal funds has been directed toward 911 infrastructure. Regional planning is underway to strengthen and potentially consolidate 911 services. We've implemented new CAD and record systems for first responders, expanded specialty courts, and launched a deflection program now recognized statewide as a model. These efforts strengthen safety while improving coordination and efficiency. Clatsop County roads are maintained at a pavement management index of 81, which is considered very good. Bridge and culvert upgrades continue countywide. The Westport Bypass project has reached its final permitting stage. We've received a Transportation Safety Plan grant and are actively advocating for federal bridge funding. And infrastructure investments today reduce long-term costs and improve safety tomorrow. We've completed a community health needs assessment and expanded youth prevention programming. Medical-assisted treatment has been implemented in the jail. The countywide CERT program continues to grow. Emergency planning updates are underway, and the Child Care Task Force continues its work to strengthen workforce supports. These initiatives improve resilience, prevention, and access to care. Looking ahead, our 2026 priorities build on this progress. They focus on financial resilience, infrastructure investment, public safety systems, economic development, housing and shelter, health and behavioral health, emergency resilience, and election integrity. In 2026, we will advocate for transient lodging tax flexibility and long-term timber revenue replacement strategies. We will continue developing and executing budgets that maintain board reserve targets. Financial resilience ensures service stability for years to come. Infrastructure priorities include construction of the Westport Bypass Road and improvements to the Westport Sewer District. We are updating the Parks Master Plan and advancing the Transportation Safety Plan. We will continue funding advocacy for dikes, levees, and bridges, and we're working on pathway development for industrial symbiosis and biodigester projects. Public safety priorities include advancing a 911 consolidation pathway and conducting a comprehensive EMS system assessment. These initiatives are designed to strengthen long-term emergency response capacity. Economic development efforts will focus on the Wanna Strategic Investment Program, North Coast Business Park development, and execution of the Tongue Point Enterprise Zone. We will implement the Economic Opportunities Analysis recommendations and invest in cedar capacity to support family wage job growth. The Fairgrounds Strategic Plan and continued FEMA buy-up engagement also remain priorities. Housing priorities include advocating for sustainable shelter funding and continuing partnership discussions regarding the Darigold site. In behavioral health, we will collaborate with the Rural Health Coalition and pursue targeted investments in behavioral health infrastructure for both adults and youth. Emergency and climate resilience efforts include updating the Emergency Operations Plan and Hazards Mitigation Plan, strengthening recovery planning, and advancing energy resilience initiatives. We will also continue expanding awareness and participation in Clatsop alerts. Clatsop County remains committed to free, fair, and accurate elections. We will conduct secure primary and general elections with transparent and accountable processes and professional staff administration. Election integrity is foundational to public trust. Clatsop County remains committed to nonpartisan service, regional collaboration, state and federal advocacy, long-term planning, and fiscal accountability. Behind every accomplishment is a team, county staff, partners, and community members working together.